Just want to take a little video of cleaning up the Lantac 556223 enhanced bolt carrier group. I took it out shooting about 30 rounds. Got a little bit dirty, not too bad. Bolt was still functioning properly, never had any problems with it so far. See the firing pin's got a little bit of carbon on it. Not looking too bad though. I just wanted to show how easy it is to clean this thing up. So the only thing I have on here right now is frog lube paste. I haven't put any like wet lubricant on it. So I just want to see how easily it'll clean up. This is just a dirty old paper towel. So this is just after wiping it a few times. Right here you see what I'm doing. I mean, you could put that back in the gun and run it, no problem. Basically took all the fouling right off. So all I do, after I do that, I mean, you can pull the extractor out of here and everything if you want to. Just take something like screwdriver from glasses, push right in there, push your pin out, and you can pop your extractor off. Don't lose this O-ring or spring right here. That helps your extractor move and pivot. So after you got it apart like that, not bad. 30 rounds, you know, it's nothing. I just wanted to show how easy it is to clean this thing up after it's got a little bit of fouling on it. Just kind of wipe down the extractor. Real easy. This is all, you know, 30 rounds. Firing pin's not bad. Everything just wipes off really easy, and it's super slick. Especially with this frog lube on here. They're like meant for each other. Cam pin, the domed cam pin. Thing's pretty sweet so far. All my friends like it. The Lantac. Just clean off the carrier a little bit. So easy though. Look at all that. She's back chrome again, you know? Pretty freaking awesome. And then in here you can, like, I don't know, stick something in the end of that, like a brush or something. This is where I might use a little bit of Rem oil. You could use the frog lube CLP stuff too. And I just throw it on this. Like that, a little squirt, go up in here. There are tools for this. There's something called a bone tool that you stick in there. It's got like a carbon scraper on it. You can scrape it right off the inside of there, where the firing pin goes and everything. It builds up a little bit of carbon in there, but this little brush does the trick every time. Then you can follow it up with, you know, just take some of your paper towel, stick it in there. Watch me dad. Can even get real sophisticated, going where the cam pin goes and force it in there or through here. Just kind of turn it, twist it a little bit. You know, pull it out. Look at that. Look how clean. Shine it again. Pretty sweet. So now she's dry. So we'll put things back together. We'll take our bolt, put the extractor on it, and see the hole there. You put your pin in. Make sure it's not sticking out too far out of either side. Just kind of center it with your fingers. It slides easily. Some people get real crazy and they'll like take all this carbon off of here. This is another thing I read about. They say these gas rings need to be 60 degrees to each other. You see the gaps in there? I read that that's not true. That people have actually put all of them in a line, the gas rings, and it doesn't cause any problems, no malfunctions. So I will stagger them anyways, just because that's what it says to do. But don't get too crazy with it. See how they're kind of not lined up anymore. Alright. Now we're going to take this. This has got a, I don't know how familiar you are with bolts and stuff, but it's got the hole in it. The carrier's got the hole in it. Make sure it's lined up. The extractor is going to go to the same side as the Lantac logo. Push her in there, and you can see the hole. We'll take our domed cam pin, proprietary freaking Lantac design here, and it's got a flat side on it, and I take the flat side and face it toward the gas key. When you install it, and then Lantac says that you want the flat part of the cam pin to be forward. Okay. The flat part will be facing the bolt. Okay, then we're going to install our firing pin through the back. Okay, so back here. It is just basic bolt. Okay, now our firing pin's in there. This is like the hardest part of the whole thing because I got a bad retaining pin. Kinda gotta monkey around with it a little bit to get it in there, but it's not bad. Put that in your hole on the opposite side of where it says Lantac on your bolt carrier. And I gotta look in here for this. Sorry, it's not in front of the camera right now. But I have to like pull up on my retaining pin to get it to close to be able to go to the other side. See, and then you'll see it sticking right through. And just make sure she functions still. Of course she does. Lantac never fails. And that's about it. That's a quick bolt clean. Look how clean she is.